A really important psychology video for you. I did want to do a trade recap on my OBX model, the point of the channel. Yet again, I have taken another loss today. That's 3 L's this week. But today's L is very important and gives me something that I can actually talk about that you should keep in mind. I lost my trade today for no reason other than it failing 1.5 pips from my TP. Meaning that the analysis was great, the execution was great, the entry was great, and it just so happened to fail 1.5 pips from my take profit. And then over time, just all the way down to stop loss. Did I take another trade today? No. Am I upset? Not upset. Definitely needed to be vigilant today. I think that's the main thing, because when you have moments like this, of course, this is where overtrading stems from, right? When you start to make really poor decisions because you're so emotional about the fact that you were like, that's a millimeter, right? It's basically a millimeter from this is your TP and you're a millimeter from TP and it fails and you just watch it fail all day. These are the moments where you really need to protect your psychology, and in the past, I wouldn't. And then the lesson that I took away from it today is it's all good. Of course, it's all good. I still trust the process. The fact is, I did everything right. It went all the way up there. You could say that the trade failed and it wasn't a good trade because it didn't win, but when we're talking about 1.5 pips difference, it was a good trade. It doesn't go all the way to the top of TP and then fail, and then you just have to look at it and go, fuck, shit trade. Oh, that was the wrong trade to take. No, you took the right trade. The market always wants to fuck with you, right? And that's something that you need to pay a lot of attention to make sure that you can stay calm. When I thought about it today, again, I've just been thinking, fuck, what video am I going to make about this? Or what can I actually teach? Because all I want to do is teach the model. I've probably taken more than 1,000 trades. And the same thing that has happened to me today has probably happened maybe one or two other times. Meaning it's a 1 in 300 chance. Maybe it's only ever happened one other time that I can remember. So we could be talking a trade playing out the way that it did today that is pinnacle disappointment. It's probably only a 1 in 1,000 trade, a 1 in 500 trade, 1 in 300 trade. Meaning that you have 300, whatever X is the number, you have this many trades where they all play out in all different types of ways. And then this is just how it wanted to fail today. You can't let things, even though it is disappointing, you can't let this fool you into giving into compulsion and taking a compulsive trade. You just need to deal with it. Again, there's not really much more that I'm going to add to this video. It is a really short video just to get something out there, but we all go through shit. Don't think that if you have a moment like this that fuck, you're the shittest trader ever. I'm telling you now, I'm a profitable trader and this has just happened to me. So these things happen. You don't need to, you could have the perfect setup, everything looks perfect, you enter, and then price doesn't even go into profit and sinks to your stop loss, sorry. But everything was perfect. Is it a bad trade? No. There is no such thing as a bad trade. A bad trade is you not following your strategy. A bad trade is you not following your plan. Those are bad trades. If you have a set criteria for your strategy, if you have a set criteria for your risk management and your psychology plan, and you action that, and it fails instantly, you took a good trade. If it goes halfway and then fails, you took a good trade. If it fucking goes 10x, but you only get out at 2x, banger of a trade. You just need to focus on the plan. You just need to focus on what it is that because it's probability, right? So you just have to focus on the probability, not the outcome of each individual trade. I'll add this. This will be the last thing that I'll add for this video. One mistake I made when I was let's say an intermediate trader. You're thinking your progress is day to day. Your progress is actually what you acquire month to month. You can't even really say week to week, because week to week is not, like, you can't gauge it. You could have a 50% win rate one week, a 10% win rate the next week, and then 100% win rate the week after. I started to realize that if you can just focus on your progress as month to month, that's 20 trading days, maybe there's some that you don't take, bank holidays, you get the point, right? Stop focusing on the individual trade. If it loses, shit go, it is what it is. If it wins, good. That's what we want. But at the end of the day, it doesn't even matter if you follow your plan and you do what you should. The trade that I took today doesn't fucking matter. That's why I didn't take another trade. It's, of course, disappointing, but that disappointment shouldn't fuel you to go take another trade and you put more risk on the table. Let it go. Did you follow your plan? Yes, then you did the right thing. Just remember that. That's basically the video. Again, hopefully tomorrow the OBX model starts. I'm really hyping this up. It's just I don't know. I like it. The strategy is good. I'm fucking Devo. I couldn't teach it today, but hopefully this helps somebody. I will see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Be calm. Trade well. And stick to your plan. Don't give in to bullshit.